Today, we are going to dive into one of the most powerful sources of exceptional returns: network effect businesses and the marketplace dynamics. These businesses represent the ultimate expression of winner takes all economics, wherein success compounds exponentially and market leaders become virtually impossible to displace. Understanding how to identify, evaluate, and support these businesses separates expert investors from those who miss the biggest opportunities. This is about mastering the most powerful business models in the digital economy. Let's try and understand the network effect investment opportunity. Let's establish as to why the network effect businesses represent the highest leverage investment opportunities that are available. The power law of network effect returns, wherein you have traditional businesses which have linear value creation with competitive returns, versus this you have the network effect businesses which have exponential value creation with exceptional returns. The examples here would be Facebook, Amazon, Uber, Airbnb, which have achieved dominant positions through the network effects. When we are talking in terms of the investment returns, the network effect businesses often generate 50 to 100x returns for early investors. There are four categories of network effect businesses. First and foremost, you have the direct network effects, which are basically the social networks. In terms of the value mechanism, each new user directly increases value for all the existing users. The examples would be Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Discord, etc. When you're talking in terms of scaling characteristics, you have viral growth potential and a winner takes all dynamic. In terms of the investment timings, it is important to invest before data advantages become obvious. The third is the two-sided marketplace network, which is basically the platforms. In terms of the value mechanism, you have more suppliers attract more buyers and vice versa. The examples here would be Amazon Marketplace, Uber, Airbnb, etc. In terms of the scaling characteristics, it's more of a chicken and egg problem, but powerful once established. When we are talking in terms of investment timing, it is critical to support through challenging early adoption phase. Next, let's talk about the advanced network effect evaluation framework. Now, sophisticated evaluation of network effect potential requires understanding of subtle dynamics that most investors do miss. First and foremost, let's try and understand what is the network effect strength assessment matrix.